to ensure the truth is upheld. Please, let's pray. All that we respect our media vibrancy, objective reporting in this country. I'm saying so because this event here we are today is globally watched as I stand here. And it is courtesy of media informing us. When you attack the media, where does it leave us? Where does it leave the country? They must be vibrant so that they can inform, educate, and ensure we are well guided. Your Excellency, before I invite the governor, I want to say, Church, as it is today, I agree totally with Senator Maanzo and my Senator Kavindu that you continue honestly and firmly guiding the nation. It's very important. It's not what I say, not what I think, but stick to the word of truth. The secret to good leadership so that the country can prosper remains in unity. I've seen the legacy our late Reverend Zola has left us. Truth, teamwork, and focusedness in leadership, whether at the family level, at the community level, at church level, everywhere. So please, we come here to control, and we say, mimi ni maombi tu. Ni maombi hata naweza piga magoti na nitaomba bishop wangu Kakala atakapokuja uombee hili. Ikiwa nchi yetu itaungana na tusonge mbele na tuichukulie mahali Mheshimiwa Kibaki na Kalonzo Musyoka walipoiachia, tuombe sana the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Rigathi Gachagua, na Kalonzo Musyoka washikane na Wamalwa. Hiyo team wazidanganywa usiku mmoja akimbia pande mwingine. Hiyo unity italeta mambo mazuri. Sidio? So tutawaombea sana. Na you are bishop, sorry sana, you are the Deputy President. What happened? We saw Mama cry. We cry with her. And as a community, we were well guided by our party leader. You saw how our senators fought. We are with you. We continue praying for you. For that matter, allow me to invite Our Excellency, the Governor of this county, Our Excellency Wavinya Ndeti. Karibu.
To His Excellency, Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, to His Excellency, Rigathi Gachagua, and Madam Pastor Dorcas Gachagua, to Waziri wetu, I used to work with him, CS Wamalwa, in the previous government, Senator Kavindu, Member of Parliament, present here, Caleb, former Member of Parliament, Munyaka, present, my Deputy Governor, House leadership, and all the MCS present here, na musiwa mami, na either wito Lordship, Bishop, onenga vinya mwingi mono. Onagambia nita wavinya, waandavia inosa avinya, asante. And all the clergy and bishops present here, and Mama's family. Mine is just to say, pole to Mama, but one thing I can tell you, Mama, the vibe, the bola weva, ni beba museo. You know, the vibe is so positive. It's unbelievable. From the children, from everybody, Dad has gone just to be with the Lord. So all of us should be at peace with ourselves. We should be at peace. Onondo ne we amoyondo siana siana na kaketina kaeletwa wavinya. Eh? That is Daddy's girl. And a tough girl. Yes? And I'm sure Daddy's girl ningo kosa. Nika na chetiwa. Po umeka wavinya kange stronger than wavinya.